viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and safe from COVID-19. And today I'm gonna tell you about how to write discussion and opinion essay from Cambridge book. Starting the video, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. It is generally believed by that some people are born with certain talents, for instance, for sports or music, and other are not. However, it is sometimes claimed that any child can be taught to become a good sports person or musician. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. So guys, this is discussion and opinion essay. First of all, you have to discuss both views and then give your opinion. So guys, firstly we will start with introduction. और मैंने लिखा है it is believed by a section of society that talent are inherently rooted in a person. And guys, this is a hook line of my essay, my introduction, and next one is paraphrasing. While other account that practice makes a man perfect and skills can be taught to anyone to become a good athlete or singer. And the next one is thesis statement and your stand. This essay will discuss both the side of arguments in detail, but I agree with the later side. Here guys, I clear my stand that I will agree with the later side, and but here in body paragraph I will discuss both sides argument. And now let's start with the first body paragraph. And guys, in first body paragraph I have given two reasons that why people believe that some people are born with talents. And here I have written there are two main reasons why some people believe that some people born with talent. The main reason is that it is mentality, because it has been seen for many years that a person who blessed with a good voice only become a good singer. Secondly, it is fruit of nepotism. For example, offsprings of famous cricketers and actors would become in the field of acting and sports as well. So guys, here I have given two reasons of this cause of to clear my point of view and clear what people think, why people think like that. And in the second body paragraph I have written the other side of argument. So here I have written, on the other hand, education systems are based on the belief that all children can effectively be taught to acquire different skills, including those associated with sports and art or music. So from our own school experience, we can find plenty of evidence to support the view that child can acquire the skills which continued teaching and guided practice. For instance, there are several newcomers in film industry who are outsiders, but their acting skills impress directors and producers at first sight. So these people are good example of exceptions. So guys, in second body paragraph, as you can see here, I have mentioned वो पॉइंट्स जो और लोग सोचते हैं उनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कि और लोग भी अच्छे सिंगर, एक्टर और क्रिकेटर बन सकते हैं, और वो काफ़ी हद तक लोगों को इम्प्रेस करते हैं. एंड हेयर आई हैव गिवन माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई स्ट्रांगली इन फेवर ऑफ डैट, ऑल्दो some people do have talents that are probably inherited via their genes. Such talent can give individual a facility for certain skills that allowed them to excel, while more hardworking students never manage to reach comparable level. But, and guys, here I have used one connector but, and this connector helped me to change my statement and clear my point of view. But nothing can complete the hardworking person who has urge to become a good actor or cricketer. So guys, in this paragraph, in first few lines I have mentioned that what other people, what those people who has born talent carrying. And in conclusion I have written, in conclusion I agree with that anyone can be taught particular skill, but to be really good in area of music then some natural talent is required. So guys, in this way I have written my conclusion, and as you can see, my conclusion is the mirror image of the given introduction. And moreover guys, if you find this video useful, then only like, subscribe and share my channel. It helped me to motivate myself and